Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you all. ChatLLM Teams. It's an AI assistant that's about to totally change the way you work, create, and collaborate. Trust me, after you hear this, you won't be able to imagine working without it. Imagine having all the world's top AI models in one place. No more switching between apps, no more managing multiple subscriptions. Just one powerful platform that brings everything you need into a single space. Sounds amazing, right? With ChatLLM, you get access to cutting-edge models like GPT-4, GPT 3.5, and GPT Mini 2.0. But that's just the start. This platform also lets you do instant web searches, generate images, execute code, and even analyze PDFs. And the best part? It's more affordable than paying for each of these tools separately. For just $10 a month, with the first month absolutely free, you get all this power in one place. It's a no-brainer. Whether you're creating stunning visuals, writing human-like text, building custom chatbots, or collaborating with your team, ChatLLM Teams is perfect for professionals, students, and teams of all sizes. There's something here for everyone, and the possibilities are endless. Stick around because we're going to explore all the incredible features that make this tool a must-have in today's digital world. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can start exploring it yourself. All right, let's break this down and keep it super simple for you. Here's how it works. Let's say you need to write a 200-word description for your new AI-powered video creator. You can ask ChatLLM and it will generate the text for you in no time. But here's where it gets even better. After asking one AI model, like GPT-4, you can also ask other models, like GPT 3.5 or GPT Mini 2.0, to see how their versions compare. The cool thing is, you're not tied to just one model. Each one has its own strengths, and you get to choose the best response. It's like having a team of expert writers helping you, without the hassle. Now let's talk about something super helpful, the Chat with PDF feature. Ever had a huge document, like a book or a report, and you just couldn't bear reading every single word? Maybe you only need a quick summary, or you have some specific questions in mind. With ChatLLM, this is super easy. You just upload the PDF and you can ask it to summarize the document or even dive deep into specific sections. What's even cooler is that you can use different AI models to summarize the content. You can compare their answers and pick the one that explains things best. It's an amazing way to save time and understand big documents without the stress of reading through them all. This feature is a real lifesaver for anyone who has to deal with tons of text daily. And let's not forget AI image generation. ChatLLM lets you create stunning visuals using powerful models like DALL-E and Midjourney. Whether you're designing a logo, creating social media content, or just having fun, it's as simple as typing in a creative prompt and hitting generate. Within seconds, you'll have a professional-grade image ready to use. And the best part? You don't need any design skills, just your imagination and a few words. Now, if you're someone who works with video content, you're going to love this next feature. ChatLLM integrates advanced AI tools like Runway and Luma to streamline video creation. You can pick an AI model that fits your needs, enter your prompt, adjust things like the aspect ratio and video duration, and then hit generate. This is perfect for anyone creating content for social media, business promos, or marketing campaigns. You can now make high-quality videos without the complicated software or the steep learning curve. But there's more. ChatLLM has a humanization feature that ensures your content sounds natural and engaging. If you want your text to have more personality, just click the Humanize button, and it will adjust the tone and style. Whether you're writing an article or a blog post, this feature makes sure your content is relatable and polished, so it reads just like something written by a real person. It's perfect for students, bloggers, and professionals who want their AI-generated content to feel more authentic. Now, for those of you who are into coding, whether you're a pro or just starting out, ChatLLM makes team members to join by sharing an invite link or sending an email. Whether you're working on a big project or just need some feedback, everything's designed to make teamwork simple and effective. For just $10 a month, with the first month free, you get access to all the top AI models and groundbreaking features. There's really no reason not to try it out. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.